Imagine you want a toy, a really cool toy, the one everyone's talking about, but your piggy bank is empty. You shake it. Nothing. Your friend looks at you and says, "I'll pay for it now. You give me the money later." That's a credit card. Not free money, not magic money, borrowed money. And borrowed money always comes with rules. What a credit card really is. A credit card is permission to borrow. That's it. Nothing fancy. The bank says, "Hey, we trust you. Up to this limit." You don't spend your money. You spend their money. You use it today. You promise to pay it back later. If you do it on time, no problem. If you don't, that's where things get uncomfortable. The simple story. Meet Tom. Tom is normal. Not rich. Not broke. Just living. Tom wants a $100 pair of shoes. Nothing crazy. Just shoes. But today, Tom has $0. So Tom uses a credit card. The bank pays the store. The store gives Tom the shoes. Tom walks out happy. But here's the part people forget. Tom didn't pay for the shoes. The bank did. Now Tom owes the bank $100. Simple. What happens next? Important part. A few weeks later, Tom gets a message. A bill. It says, "You owe $100, due by this date." Now Tom has two choices. Choice 1. Pay on time. Good ending. Tom pays the full $100. That's it. No extra money, no fees, no drama, no stress. The bank nods politely. Tom moves on with life. This is how credit cards are supposed to work. Boring, calm, responsible. Choice 2. Don't pay. Bad ending. Tom says, "I'll deal with it later." He pays nothing, or maybe just a little. The bank replies, "Okay, but now you owe extra." That extra money, that's called interest. What is interest? Like your 5. Interest is a sorry fee. It's the bank saying, "You kept our money too long. Now pay more. Borrow $100. Don't pay it back. Next month it becomes $105, then $110, then $130. It grows quietly, slowly, relentlessly, like a snowball rolling downhill, and not the cute kind. Why interest is so sneaky. Interest doesn't feel scary at first. It whispers. It waits. You think, it's only a few dollars. But months pass. Bills stack. Life happens. Suddenly you're paying money for something you bought a long time ago. That's how people get trapped. Not overnight. Over time. Why people think credit cards are bad. Credit cards aren't evil. Using them wrong is. Most people don't fail because they're stupid. They fail because they're human. People spend more than they earn. Swipe without thinking. Pay late. Ignore bills. Panic later. That's how small purchases turn into big problems. It's not the card. It's the behavior. The "it's only $20 trap. One coffee, one meal, one late night order. It's only $20. Do that 5 times? That's $100. Don't pay it? That's interest. Now you're paying extra for food you already forgot. That's the trap. Why credit cards even exist. So why do these things exist at all? Because they help and profit. Banks make money from interest, late fees. People use cards because convenience, online shopping, emergencies, rewards, cashback, points. It's a trade. You get flexibility. Banks get profit. Nobody is forcing anyone. When credit cards actually help, credit cards are useful when your car breaks down. You need to book travel fast. You shop online safely. You earn cash back on things you already buy. Used correctly, they're just tools. Like a knife. Great for cooking. Terrible if you swing it around. What is a credit limit? Your credit limit is the rule. It's the bank saying, this is as far as you can go. Example, your limit is $1,000. That means you can't spend more than $1,000. You shouldn't spend all of it. Using most of your limit feels heavy. Bills feel bigger. Mistakes hurt more. Lower usage equals less stress. Just because you can doesn't mean you should. A $1,000 limit doesn't mean go spend $1,000. It means be careful. The limit is a fence, not an invitation. What is a credit score? Super simple. Your credit score is a trust score. It answers one question. Can we trust you with money? Pay on time? Score goes up. Pay late? Score goes down. Ignore bills? Score drops harder. It's like a reputation. But for money, why your credit score follows you. Your credit score isn't about today. It's about future you. Landlords check it. Car dealers check it. Banks check it. Even some jobs check it. Good score equals easier life. Bad score equals harder life. Same money, different experience. Why adults say build credit, because no one explains this early enough. Future, you will want to. Rent an apartment, buy a car, get a loan, have options. Credit cards help if you respect them. They punish you if you don't. The golden rule, remember this. If you can't pay for it today, don't put it on a credit card. Treat a credit card like cash with a delay, not future money, not free money, delayed cash. A smart way to think about it before swiping. Ask, do I already have this money? If yes, cool. If no, stop. That one question prevents most problems. Final thoughts. A credit card is not free money. It's borrowed money with rules. Follow the rules. Pay on time. Don't overspend. Don't panic. Break the rules. Debt. Stress. Regret, that's credit cards. Explained like you're 5. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and comment what money thing you want explained next.